Welcome. If you want to add event to calendar in your VIVO Y11s, for the first you have to open your calendar, accept all of the permissions, then click on right corner on this marker and select event. Right now you can add the title. You can also set up other things. For example, you can change color of your event, or you can add the notification, change the day of the hour. And if you set up everything, you can just click here to save at the right upper corner, and as you can see, here we get our event. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!